friends, and welcome to another calendar. Our month this month is April. Let's sing our months of the year song. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. So we know our month is April. Now we have to figure out our day of the week. If yesterday was Tuesday, today it is Wednesday. Stand up. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Jump, jump. Days of the week. Jump, jump. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Jump, jump. Excellent. So we know it is Wednesday, April. After 14 is 15. So April 15th. So today it is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Now we're going to go to our weather. Now remember, we're not graphing on the computer. You are graphing at home with your mom, your dad, your sister, or your brother. But we'll sing our weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it cloudy? Is it windy? Is there rain or is there sun? Right? Tell your mom, your dad, your sister, or your brother what the weather is. And we'll move on to our tally marks. This will be our second tally mark in our box. So again, it is vertical. It goes up and down. This represents 5, so we are going to count by 5s. Are we ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, stop. 141, 142. We have been in school for 142 days. We'll go to our place value now. $142 has 100, 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many ones? 2. Right now we have 1. If we add 1 more, we have 2 ones. So our equation is 100, because this represents 100, plus 10, 20, 30, 40, plus how many are here? Let's count together. 1, 2. 100 plus 40 plus 2 equals 142. Good work. We're going to go to our reading. Let's read this one in our heads. And together. Of, fov. Read this in your head. And together. Jug, jug. In your head. Together. Roll. Last one. In your head. and together. Suff. Excellent job, friends. I will see you back here tomorrow for more calendar.